Howdy, how's it going today? See, I've been talking quite a bit about this video project or this project that is launching here in December 15th, but I haven't really told you what's going on. So basically this announcement actually that I'm sharing with you right now is something that's gonna be starting up this coming year, and I've wanted to do it for quite a while because there have been quite a few people over the years just who've really wanted to learn to take pictures better. So I figured while I had a little bit of time, I would just tell you a little bit about how this project's going to work. See, this coming year, 2024, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a masterclass, if you will. Now, I don't have the reach or the popularity or the money to actually make this a masterclass because that's a lot of work and I don't have that kind of time. I'm in school still. But what I can do is I can offer lessons via YouTube to teach you how to take better pictures on your smartphone or on an actual camera. We can walk through the process of setting up a brand new camera or a smartphone, walk through the process of learning the basics of photography and getting you from zero to hero in just a couple months. See, photography is something that is very easy to learn when you compare it to other things. It's honestly easier than riding a bike. You just have to know a couple things about your camera. And that's what I'm here to teach you. I want to help you grow, learn how a camera functions, how to push it to its limits, so that when you actually have the time and you're ready to lay down the money on an actual camera or to upgrade your current camera, you know what you're looking for, you know what's going to suit you best, and you're ready to move and make that step and that leap, that new purchase of a new camera. So starting in January, I'm going to be recording my first lesson, my first series section in December while I'm home. But starting in January, we're going to start up the launch. And if you want to get exclusive updates and behind the scenes and even one-on-one coaching, just message me somewhere, Instagram, Twitter, my website, and just tell me, hey, I want some just personalized teaching for this. And I will sit down, research the camera you have, and walk you through the basics. Because sometimes a video course is great, but sometimes you actually need someone to sit down next to you and be like, hey, this is what you need to do. Let me show you what you're doing and why, because that's sometimes how you learn. I mean, me personally, I learn hands-on so much better than the classroom. Just ask my professors at Moody. But having someone to actually sit down and explain why often can help. So that's what I'm really here to offer is like, hey, one-on-one coaching, but then also having an overall class with goals, lesson plans, and ideas on how you can grow. And I mean, this is gonna be a free class, it's YouTube. I'm not expecting this to be a paid idea, but what I am saying is I would love for you, if you sign up for this, is to actually take it seriously because this is a course. I'll dig into a little more of what the course is going to actually hold when I do the first video in January. But really the idea is here at my school, we're trained to be mission pilots. And something I've noticed over and over and over in missions is really the lack of media knowledge, being camera ready, knowing how to act on camera so you actually come across professionally. And while professionalism is not really the main goal of mission work, it's to spread the gospel to unreached people. And I completely understand that, I completely agree with that. At the same time, you need to be able to share with others who are your supporters how you're doing it, and you need to look somewhat professional when you're doing that. So this is kind of a little of a back step from that, just talking about how this can be applied in missions, but also just in daily life, because so many people, I mean, everyone either takes their pictures all portrait or all landscape, and I want to teach you when to use what, why to use what, and how to get the best out of all your images. So this is just a little look into that. I'm not gonna go too much into that because that's for January's lesson. But again, if you want to just see a lot more of this, go ahead and like and subscribe, and then comment down below if there's any specific things you would like in the lessons. I will also be uploading these lessons to Vimeo for a select few who want a more personalized experience where I can interact face to face. And honestly, I might switch over to Vimeo just to see how many people actually watch this stuff. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in January with the first lesson, what is a camera?